Hi, and welcome to this Vipassana style guided meditation. This meditation is perfect for beginners and will only take approximately 10 minutes. Begin by sitting in a stable, upright position. And close your eyes gently. Bring your attention to the fact that you are sitting here now. We're not here with any particular outcome in mind, but rather to observe whatever is already here. And first, become aware of the posture of your body. Notice the points of contact with the floor or chair. Observe sensations in the feet, the legs, the pelvis, the back, the hands resting, the shoulders, the face. Try not to judge or adjust unless you need to for comfort. And start to acknowledge what is present in these areas. Now bring your attention to your breathing. Notice the air entering the nostrils and leaving the nostrils. You might feel it at the tip of the nose, in the upper lip area, or inside the nasal passage. Don't force the breath. Just allow it to flow naturally. If the mind wanders, notice that it has wandered and bring it back to the sensation of breathing. Keep returning to your breath. Now expand awareness from the breath to the whole body. Begin at the top of the head. Observe any sensation, any tingling, warmth, coolness, pressure, or even no sensation at all. And start moving your attention systematically from the head to the face, the neck, shoulders, arms, hands, chest, abdomen, back, hips, legs, and feet. At each part, simply note what is there. If nothing seems to be there, just note neutral and move on. As you encounter sensations, notice any tendency to label them as pleasant or unpleasant. In Vipassana, we train ourselves to observe without craving or aversion. If the sensation is pleasant, notice it, but don't cling. If it's unpleasant, notice it, but don't push it away. Sensations arise and pass away. That is their nature. Once you've scanned the body, return to the breath. Observe each inhale and each exhale. The mind may still wander. That's completely normal. But gently bring it back each time, as if you were training a young puppy, firm but kind. And before we end, notice the overall state of the body and mind now, compared to when you began. Try not to evaluate it as better or worse, but simply to notice any difference. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and bring attention back to your surroundings. Thank you for breathing with me today. Namaste.